Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are explaining you how you can use your Excel powers and Excel expertise to customize your reports and to do the automation. And there are certain things which you would have to do on daily basis again and again. So why not if these steps are performed automatically, right? So, so let's take, for example, you have two folders. One folder is where you have the monthly files, right? All the monthly files uh, are downloaded from YouTube with this naming convention, right? And first of all, they are downloaded into the download folder, and then they are renamed and placed into this folder, right? Let me show you the download folder as well. Yes, these are the download. At the moment, it is empty, okay, because we have already moved it to the folder. Okay, so what we are going to show you now that a file will come here, and when we download the file will appear in here. Whatever the name it is, it doesn't matter. Okay, so the system will keep watching. As soon as the file is coming, it is going to pick this file and rename it and put it back put it into the folder that is monthly files folder. At the moment, we have the files until what? Until 16th of February, right? So let's get back to this dashboard in analytics report, and we have this custom. We have custom. So let's try 17th of. Let's change the date from 16 to 17, and here also. So in both places we will have, because this is 1 day file pattern, means each file containing only 1 day activity. Okay, so we have uh, set the date for which we want to monitor. Which date? It is 17th of February, right? The next is we do the download, right? Download to the Google Sheet. It will open a new tab and it is downloaded. Okay. Next we do is that we will download it using the file, and this is it. Okay. So as soon as we click in here, so the download folder will be populated, right? You can see it is populated, and soon you will see that it will be automatically moved by the system into our monthly folder. You will see that very soon you will see that this file is going to be disappearing because the system will pick it and rename it and place it into our folder. Which folder is it? It is the monthly files folder. So these are the where. So the 16th of February is will be there. Below this, there will be another file with the name 17th of February, right? So as soon as this occurs, you will see that the file is moving automatically and placed in the desired folder. So this is a repetitive activity which you can always automate, right? The things is that it is going to be automated, right? Each time when you do this, right? So it's a pattern in which we have the sheet one, in which we mention after how many seconds do you want to perform this repeated task. Okay, so that what it will do, it will keep watching if the download folder has the file or not, right? So so it normally starts at the start of as soon as this file is loaded. Let me save it. Let me save it and open it again, right? Okay, I have saved it, and now I am opening the file in Excel. Yeah, I'm opening the file. You can see, yeah, and you will see that as soon as the file opens, it will start doing its job automatically, and you will see that in a few minutes, and within a few seconds, you will see a new file will be appearing. This file will be renamed automatically as a 17th of February, but this will get disappeared automatically, and the system will put it in the monthly file folder with the new name, that is 17th of February. Okay, so let's see. As soon as since the scheduler has started, now it will, yes, you see, this has disappeared from the download automatically, and you have a new file that is 17th of February 2025. Okay, so this will be later on used to for our customized analytical reports in the dashboard. Okay, so we will explain you the how this scheduler is working. There is a code working in it, and in the code we have the macro that is called auto open, and we will show you. Yeah, and the first thing it does, it's called the schedule setup. As soon as the schedule setup is called, the task is scheduled, and that time it will execute. As soon as the schedule time comes, it executes it, and the execution is simply move the file from the download folder to the monthly folder. So, friends, you have seen how powerful is Microsoft Excel and VBA, and it empowers you to bring about a great deal of automation in your day-to-day activities, like downloading the data into a folder, and then automate. It means automate it. Once a file is created, it landed into a folder. So it is you develop a system which watches that folder. As soon as the file is coming, it starts its job of moving this file to the appropriate desired folder and renaming it, and then waiting for the next file to come. So the first thing we do is that we load our system. This file is our system. That is the link of it will be given to you in your in the description of the video, and we will give you the complete details and how to do all this. So this is a very fascinating feature of the VBA automation, and so the first thing we do is we go to the folder, that is a download folder. We make sure that there is nothing, no extra files, and that's okay. That's fine because our system will work only on the Excel file. If there are some other files, you can leave it. But just to show you that you are not confused with the other files, so I am removing all the files which are unwanted in the download folder. And then what we do, this is the first step. The second step is that we make sure we know that what is the status of our monthly files. Means this is not actually monthly files. These are all the date-wise files actually. And previously, when we started, we thought that we should make a folder for every month and so on. But we have simplified it. So this is we have a folder. The name is monthly files. Okay. So all the files, these are actually yearly files, or maybe the historical track of all the files which we downloaded from the YouTube. And we have the last file is 17th of February. 17th of February, right? Okay. And we also now have the 18th of February ready. So let's just to recap the process. Let's go to our channel. And this is our channel, and this is the our means the YouTube studio, in which the analytical reports are there. So we are using this content report, which we will be downloading. So we have completed until 17. So let's make another file, so that just for practice. So we go to the custom, and we make this as not 17 is already done. So let's make it 18. So we have to put 18 on both fields, right? So this way we are saying from 18 to 18. From 18 to 18 means 1 day activity is required. So we, when we click apply, so all the activities of this will come. Okay, so normally we have a the full detail, but because these are actually updated and at a particular time. In our case, it gets updated about with all these figures, because some figures are not coming because the time is not yet ready. The time for these figures to come in is Pakistan Standard Time at night, 2:30 a.m. Right. So for 17 was it's okay, but let's show you how to do this, and we will do it again. But see what are the steps. Okay, so we download this. It will download it in a separate tab, and here we are going to download. Click the download in here, and so it will be downloaded into our download folder, and very soon you will see, since the system is running, so it will move it automatically and make it as 18th of February. So let's see. It is very soon you will see that this file will automatically get disappeared from here. So where will it go? It will go to the monthly files. These are the monthly files, right? So you can open in a separate folder, open in a new window, right? And you will see that 18th file, the file for 18th of February will appear in here shortly. Okay, so this is how it is done, and once this is done, then your reporting system will be able to do it for you for the reporting, right? So let's see what is our Excel file is doing. Yeah. So we have to see that we have to make sure that our Excel file is running, right? So it's running and it is doing its job. Hmm? So this is our Excel file, and we go to see the code. This is our code, right? And uh, and this is our folder in which we have the download folder. So this should go automatically. So what we have to do is you have to make sure the auto open is executed. Sometime when you open, the auto execute is not active. So that's why the system may not work. So you have to run the auto open. When you want this to be to take the effect, then you have to run the auto open. Okay, so this will keep watching uh, with a given time period, and watching what? Watching the download folder. If there is a file, so this file will be moved, and it will be moved to the desired folder. It will be renamed, and you will see that this file will get disappeared. Right? So you see this, the file it goes away, and you see a new file has emerged here as 18th of February, right? We remove this for the moment because this is an incomplete report, so we don't want to confuse it. Okay, so this is this procedure, and just to, if you want automation of your monitoring of some file coming on a particular folder that should be renamed and should be moved to the, you may have such a requirement anytime. So you can use this concept to make your VBA watch and keep monitoring of a folder, the content of a folder. As soon as a particular file name with a particular naming convention, it has arrived. So the action which you want, for example, moving it to a certain folder, or you can do it. So it will keep on. It will keep on watching and doing the needful for you automatically. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.